Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Stripe Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to update the products. Okay, so in the last videos we have created the product. So here you can see that we have created the product, right? So sometimes I think we want to update the product. So like suppose there is no image over here. So how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we go with the images, right? So here this is the API endpoint, this is the post. So here we require the product ID first. Okay, so we have to search for the product ID which we have created in the previous one. So this is our product ID. So I'm going to copy this product ID and paste it over here. So this is our product ID. Okay, so adding over here. Now we require the images. So let's go and search with the t-shirt images URLs. So we will just use this one. Open. So let's open this one. Open image in a new tab. So let's copy this one. This is two, I think. We require only one. So open image in a new tab. So just copy this image and add it over here. Okay. Let's try to do some another image also. This image. Okay, so let's add it over here. Right. So both images we have added, and the name we have here. So I will add that latest product collection, latest t-shirt collection. Okay, collection. So we have make this one name, and after that we have a Stripe products update. So we require product ID and the info. Then if it is some, if all thing goes well, then the message product updated, else it will throw the error. Okay, save it. Let's try to run it. So here we have the terminal. Okay, so let's run node stripe running in this port. Okay, so let's take the endpoint, update product. So we don't require the product ID here because we have already made it a static part. Okay, let's copy this one, restart again the server, go to the postman. So here we will just change this one, and this is a post request. Let's try to send it. Here product updated, and in the if I go here the stripe, there is no image. Let's try to reload this one. Now you can see the images are there. And if I go to create a payment link from here, now the image will show on over here. Okay, you can see this image. Okay, so this is how we are able to add the images, or we can say that the update the product if you want to update. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.